Hello friends, welcome to you from Exxon Global Limited. It is a life-changing concept. Today we come with a great plan that can fulfill your dreams. In today's money is become a part of life. For earn money we work day and night, do works below of interest, here's the boss's scolding, or do little businesses, and big problem is that, we lost our dreams. Friends, if you want to change your life, then watch this video till the end. Friends, crypto market remains open 24 hours. So that's why we can say it works for 24 hours for us. In past time transactions used to do on the basis of goods. After then gold coins, then check, plastic cards, after then times comes of internet banking, then mobile banking. And today's phase, which is going on in cryptocurrency. This is fully decentralized concept. This is immutable, tamper-proof and also scam-proof. That means your amount is 100% safe. Friends, Exxon token is launching its own digital currency, and if we join in starting, then you will earn a huge profit in future. The Exxon has a maximum supply of 1 billion tokens only. Exxon has a future prediction to cross the BTC price. It has its community-based coin which has the low supply and high demand. From the day we start our operations, the Exxon tokens will be giving as a gift to all registered members, which enhance the price as community grows up. Now we will know about Exxon token distribution. Here foundation reserves remain 10%, team distribution 30%, investor distribution 15%, market distribution 30%, partnerships 10% and ecosystem growth remain 5%. Friends, Exxon token will be available soon on huge exchanges like Binance, Huobi Global, Bittrex. Here you can join with $100. And your income will start. Now we will know about compensation plan. Here we will get tokens bonus, referral bonus, team matching bonus, leadership bonus, quick rank bonus, global club bonus, royalty bonus, president bonus. First of all we will know about token bonus. When any person join here he will get $150 value Exxon token by airdrop. It will absolutely free. Our next income is referral bonus. We will get 5% on each direct referral. And here we can join unlimited direct and earn unlimited income. Our next income is leadership bonus. Here when you put one ID left side and one ID right side, you will become star. And you will get $10 as bonus for 52 weeks. And your total earning will be $520. Now when 3-star rank achiever become, you will become bronze. And you will get $12 as bonus for 52 weeks. And your total earning will be $624. As shown on chart you will get income according your rank. Our next income is team matching bonus. Here when you make pair of star to silver, you will get $10 and maximum payout will be $300. Like this, when you make pair of gold to ruby, you will get $10 and maximum payout will be $500. As shown on chart you will get income according your matching. Our next income is quick rank bonus. Here if you achieve star rank within 48 hours of your joining, you will get $2 for 52 weeks. Like this, if you achieve gold rank within 5 days of your joining, you will get $5 for 52 weeks. If you achieve topaz rank within 15 days of your joining, you will get $10 for 52 weeks. If you achieve diamond rank within 30 days of your joining, you will get $50 for 52 weeks. Friends, our next income is global club bonus. As soon as you become a star, you are automatically placed in club achievers list. Global club bonus is a universal company structure where any star qualified after you will follow you on the first come first serve basis. When you became silver and in your down leg team 2-star rank achiever come, you will get $20 from each. Your total income will be $40. With $20 your ID will upgrade and your net profit will be $10. Now when you become gold and in your down leg team 4 silver rank achiever come, you will get $30 from each. Your total income will be $120. With $90 your ID will upgrade and your net profit will be $30. As shown on chart, when your chart fill you will get $726,457,760. Friends, our next income is royalty bonus. When you achieve the rank of within 30 days from the date of sign up, If you achieve Sapphire rank, you will get $25 bonus for 12 months. Like this, if you achieve Ambassador rank, you will get $50 bonus for 12 months. If you achieve Brand Ambassador rank, you will get $100 bonus for 12 months. If you achieve Vice President rank, you will get $250 bonus for 12 months. Friends, our next income is President bonus. When you achieve the rank of President, you will able to get President bonus. President bonus equally share monthly royalty of 2% global revenue along with other achievers. Friends, here you can see calculation table. If you start with 3 packs, you have to pay $300. You will get $520 from weekly bonus, $450 from coin income, and your total income will be $970. And friend, you also will get $20 as one-time spot bonus. If you start with 7 packs, you have to pay $700. You will get $1,560 from weekly bonus, $1,050 from coin income, and your total income will be $2,610. And friend, you also will get $80 as one-time spot bonus. As shown on chart, if you start with maximum ID, you will get maximum benefit. Let me know about term and conditions. All income earning in USD dollar. Minimum withdrawal request $25. All withdrawal requests done by Monday and credit next 24 hours. Wallet to package purchase Exxon Coin 100%. Wallet to wallet fund transfer Exxon Coin. You can convert your all Exxon to TRX, USDT, BTC, ETH, BTT, BNB. Charges applicable 5%. Friends, this is a unique plan, it's fully secure and transparent, and they will definitely get success who start earlier. For known about more, you can contact to that person who share you this video. Thank you for giving your important time. Please like, share and subscribe.